Hi there, Attorney Brian Carter with Tulsa ConstructionLawyer.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about what the difference is between a statute of limitations and a statute of repose is. Most folks have a generalization of what a statute of limitations is. For example, in Oklahoma, actions based in tort, and for this purposes of this video I'm going to focus on negligence. There's a 2-year statute of limitations, whereas contracts are, if a written contract, it's a 5-year statute. If it is a oral contract, it's 3, and then intentional acts have a short statute of 1 year. Statute of limitations begins to run upon the date that the harm is discovered. So a 2-year period for negligence would begin to run when the negligent act is discovered. And obviously this doesn't apply to actions based in contract, whereas a contract statute would begin to run upon completion of the contract. Some things that can toll a statute of limitations is fraud or concealment. There are other situations that can affect that time as well. For a statute of repose, it's a little different. It's an absolute, whereas the statute of limitations can begin to run at different time periods. Whereas statute of repose, no action can be brought in tort negligence for our purposes, and this is a statutory definition for any deficiency in design, planning, supervision, or observation of construction or construction of improvement to real property, for injury to property, real or personal, arising out of any such deficiency, or for injury to persons, or for wrongful death arising out of such deficiency. Shall be brought against a person owning, leasing, or in possession of such an improvement, or performing or furnishing the design, planning, supervision, or observation of construction or construction of such improvement for more than 10 years after substantial completion of the improvement. So what that means is that that 10-year mark for substantial completion is a firm deadline there, where no action can be brought after that point, regardless of when the harm is discovered. So what that means, a good example of the crossroads between the statute of limitations and the statute of repose, is if you were to discover a negligent act in the 9th year since a substantial completion, you would only have 1 year to take action, whereas if it was discovered in the 5th year, then you would have 2 years from the date of discovery. So it's designed to give reassurances that a contractor isn't going to be on the hook for a defect indefinitely, and it gives certainty for all parties involved.